Data entry. Friends, many times we need to input content using the project papers, office documents or books. May it be a hard copy or an image. But now this is an old method. Using the OCR, meaning the optical character recognition, within no time you can convert images into textual content. But friends, not everyone can make use of this technology, or most of the time this job is a big task to complete. This is where the freelancers come in. They are assigned to complete this job using the same technology. For this, let us open the Google Drive and input the username and password for logging in. After completing the logging process, you will see Google Drive. Now we need to convert an image into text, for which you need to go to a new tab. After which, click on the New button, open a suitable folder or location, select a suitable image and hit Open. You will notice the uploaded image in your drive. Right-click on the image and click on the Open With option and click on Google Docs. You will see the image opened in Google Docs in the form of textual content. You can now download this online document by clicking on the File menu and hit the Download option. Google Docs provides multiple file formats from which you need to choose Microsoft Word .docx. The downloaded file will open in Microsoft Word. Friends, now as this was the English content, let us see if this technology works for the other languages as well by following the same steps just like we did for the previous content. Friends, you can see that it is as easy to convert the Marathi content from the image into Marathi text. Let us go ahead and see many jobs we can get if we search data entry. Type freelancer.in. Click on Browse Jobs, type data entry and click on Search. In the results area, you can see the number of jobs available related to data entry. Now you can also see the other types of data entry jobs available in the search below. You must know skills like Notepad, Word and Excel, etc. to undertake these tasks. Like this, you can easily get multiple freelance opportunities to build your career. All the best. Following are some of the websites where you can find online jobs: freelancer.in, dailyonlinejobs.com, fiverr.com, upwork.com, workhire.com, peopleperhour.com, indeed.co.in.